Hello everyone, welcome to the channel CSC Scholar Studies. In this lecture, I will discuss about all about Mealy machine. So let's start. It is a Mealy machine is a mathematical model in which output is associated with the transition. I have already discussed how Mealy machine work, why we use the Mealy machine. Basically, Mealy machine is used as an output generator, means there is any certain input and it is given any output for the particular given input, right? So what is the formal definition of the Mealy machine? Mealy machine is a having six tuples, capital Q, sigma, Q naught, capital delta, small delta, lambda. So what is a Q? It is a finite number of state. Sigma is a already known input alphabet. Q naught is the initial state, and capital delta is output alphabet. Means what are the output alphabet given is represented by the this delta, and small delta is the transition function, and lambda is the output function. These three tuples is the same as one for DFA and NFA, and these are the tuples. We need to remember one is output alphabet and delta is small delta is a transition function, and lambda is the another tuple which is a represent output function. Means in Mealy machine we know there is any input and corresponding there is a output for particular input. So the lambda function represent the as the output function, right? For the Mealy machine, transition function is defined as a Q into sigma tends to Q, right? And the output function lambda is represent to Q into sigma tends to capital delta. मीन्स कोई भी स्टेट पे आप कोई इनपुट दोगे तो एक पर्टिकुलर स्टेट के लिए एक ट्रांजिशन होगा एंड द आउटपुट क्या होगा कि उसी भी स्टेट और इनपुट के लिए जो आउटपुट होगा वो डेल्टा से रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे, राइट? दीज आर द बेसिक टपल्स वी यूज्ड at the time of designing the Mealy machine. Suppose there is an example. Q0 is a initial state and Q1 is another state, and these are the transition at correspondent output is given for Q0. For A input the output is 1, right? For B input for this transition from Q0 to Q1 the output is a B, and for this transition B the output is a 1, and for this transition for A input the output is a 1. So this is the representation of how we represent the Mealy machine with the diagram, transition diagram. So in the question there many times ask the uh, draw the diagram for any input एंड करस्पॉन्डेंट आउटपुट मीन्स आपको इनपुट दिया होगा और आउटपुट दिया होगा, उसके करस्पॉन्डेंस आपको पूछता है कि इसका ट्रांजिशन डायग्राम क्या होगा फॉर Mealy मशीन के लिए. सो I will discuss the different type of question based on the Mealy machine, how we draw the transition diagram for the Mealy machine. So watch the coming lecture and solve the question. So thank you.